UGWUMBA. First of all, I can correct you again. You have a very wrong impression about that thing. Don't it's not time to try movie. Gente, there was no war after Biafra Nigerian war. If there were genocide, starting from 1967, Mbawono Kwadocharo Q plan on na Ibadan. Much stuff for Holland. O plan tell the Q. Then they can now go na army. Ndi Igbo. And all my don or sponsor her had made the Q. And then my Yoruba ma was on the thing. As not Biafran Q. But I would you jenga. And then you better to in a Calabar prison for treasonable felony of that Q. When I go to the Western press, Bundi Yoruba, I saw Igbo Q, on a make round. So there was no war. Of genocide. Name Biafra. Because of Bite of Biafra, Kobu. Bite of Biafra had atom to Biafra. But because na Ejechala Abri Accord na Ghana. Now puta, ebe hello head of states within Ghana both go on Ojuko and other prominent people. They equated that na Amanogo, Ndobna Nabeha. Equated Kaimwe through federalism. Into Wadro, another British ambassador no Nigeria, no Lagos Zimbabwe, Jeko go on send had the landlocked. And then they also actually it's a that period. Here is go flag Ghana Ikete cantonment. Kana be hard asarewa. However, no the landlocked, na alu yemono, ma ebo no gi jochi, unu je invade Biafra. How we je invade Biafra? Sino obola Fonsuka, we invade Biafra. He have genocide, but has not 48 hours police action. Okay, Abia the Bukorongwa in Biafra. Denubu. Nke ebojuku no. Say me amamen reshuffle. And very reshuffle na catch me police angwa in Deba have only 130 rifles and catchy bullets. However, that's not police action. Na be na Bukorongwa we tapeka chonyo obuna. However, tiebala for na bata ụmụaka na-agụ na UNN. Where's no make their parents can say no, but need them or need jog. We rise against them. God hate us. And by zero kind of name resistance. Then this one of blacks accuse Hannibal. We have the factory in a port. A well be the round nation. Be the convert the tipper to truck. So again, overall war can live out. You have genocide. Man, I survived for 3 years because the Biafra riser. Well, Bangwa di chiche. Low show battery. We take over Port Harcourt. Take your territorial waters. Well, Ubunigwe. If I have bro so on a Pamadaka na a hogro. That man when he said he was a honorable governor Kojo Marife. Over 5 million children. Omana also genocide I don't know before. We put them food relief. See the Catholic Caritas put them see na Cameroon. Then na Kenya. We just some substance. The thing we call kwashoko. If not kwashoko again. I just forget. As you can forget. You can forgive, but you can't forget. We can't forget. Manana to reiterate take it. Mboye polo nwe nwa fibo. Iji Biafra politics. UGWUMBA is still equitable na ihe ikuru na nrogo. Gokwo no kan ka okwa ofuma. Anrogo. Maka oge ndị abetanted invasion. Ebido ruba nations and arms na Port Harcourt. Ha kana awa anya. The British no planes have a Nigerian column. One of British pilots with British Airways. Here na bomb all the churches in Anibo. Ndị by we be bomb eji igu nku to na enu nuka. And uka na ekwu ndị Britain butere anya. Ha na bomb ya, na bomb market, na bomb schools. I survive all those things. Mmadụ we bịa kita Britain Biafra in a derogatory way. Ona anwafia. Biafra in ekwu iwe dị ekwu na kan logo because na abịa chukwunya ingenuity. I will bido na resist her. No. Until bido ammunition. America we all days of war. See how we have the rise of African giants. See what cause succeed. America na no yes. A Russian general will say that no one catchment of Biafran soldiers can conquer the world. Never have determination. Have soldiers. I am uniform. Ragtag cob. And what ammunition? Nation supply Biafra ammunition. Go and check history. Do you think there is network history now? Give Dev Mahi, join your Ndogagi, join your Turubu. Why is history from Nigerian curriculum? All because history will not tell them what I'm talking history. We trust a lot of things against Igbo. And we're war for the Igbo. And I say, give it a Turubu, give it Komogarai, give a minister of force, carry him a gun Igbo.
Let me do it now, Ebony State.
And they will say, give me the Debony. Kaya Kuzima, give him a gun Debony. And you get minister of force. It's only JDG. The ask you when they go on Monday shall stand, or not Boya Messiah, or Mumma you was in a house supply. You saw we just discussed the periphery. When I know Katana, you have Biafra. Oh, whatever you open on your bulldozer, Genesia, I go Jim one or Brung one. Because on the politicians, but then I know if you get your Gwogu, Gumba one on there, what I did, Alan Ney, a Gwogu, Monojina Moni, a Gwogu. Yeah, Biafra area, I talk AJJ. Yes, then it could not be from the mind because now we lost a lot. And you could see him after the war. And to be when you were back, you remember I don't remember. I went on Calabar prison, prison film life until when that people took Serbia or said that an appetite is a seed in your state. Or to West Final, that when you're Nigeria, or happier, a book in the Mayor Scott, Rutenore, happier, or gas straight to Dumbarak, where they could go on. Said that na Margo Plan, Biafra, senior Minister of Defense. No, I think Minister of Kenya or Samba, Kenya Finance. And yet, Finance always sees the Hindi Bonin. Vito run in a group company in Nigeria, near Indiba, Sindo Dotana, name war, upon a bomb battle, a boy when I Lagos, Mobana one of bullets, or San Nanogo, and no chog, didn't hide with Caesar. Cindy Pot, how would you dare not abandon property? Did that 20 pounds, upon a green than Igbo. I will go you back when they Tunubuhan, on your put the Oganacharogo. Only 20 as no last stopper. Or you in Yupuru, also you open again arm robbery, which ended with Yabam robbers. Only jam robbery, Cabo William. The 3 first people about Runa Bar Beach, they was taken a drone, where shooting range. Jesus of Oyimbo, Onyoba, Oyenusi, Onyoba, and one I can't wait then now because even everyone was him. 3 of them, on them by a repair lot of same as now. Key each year as a cat, send out na troupe Biafra. Ndi Ebony. Didn't that man on carry enough zone from that angle on a cage because say a very big source called Ebony.
Obru na ngelota, obru na obrum kana ro ofuma. Elotaram na Dave no nwe kwuru na obru na na ha esohokwa na ndị Ebonyi steeti esohokwa.
Yes, yeah.
Na ihe Biafra.
Okure.
Oruze kita maka na o maara na okwu abu Biafra na agba anyị n'isi kpọrọ na ọ na-emetụ onye ọbụla n'obi ịmakwa na Rafu wazuru ike onye isi Masop ka na ajụ ajụjụ